In this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to add a video to your eBay listing. You're going to have to start by recording a clear video of your product. Next thing that you're going to do is you're going to head over to your ebay.com and then click sell at the top, or you can also click on my eBay. But for me, I'm just going to click on sell so that it will take me immediately to my seller hub. Now from here, it will take you to this active listings or your listings page. Now, if you already have your active listings, it's going to show up immediately right here. But if you have a draft that you haven't published, you can just head over to listings and then click on drafts right here. And then you can see it right here. You can see it listed. And then we're going to click on resume draft. Once it uploads, or once it loads, we're just going to click on add. You can add a photo or a video in this page, and then you're going to have to click on add and just click on any video that you want to upload, and then you can see it right here that it will be the second position, so it doesn't show up immediately to your customers, only when they actually scroll through the media section of your listing. Now, as you can see here, it's under review once you have it uploaded, so it doesn't get immediately seen on your listing. It's going to have to be reviewed by the admins of eBay first. And then after that, you're just going to have to scroll down, and then you can choose whether you want to list it already, or if you want to save it for later, or if you want to preview it. So let's just click on list it so that it will be listed on eBay already. And that's it. If this helped you add that extra sparkle to your listings, drop a like and subscribe if you want easy seller tips that even total beginners can follow without confusion.